Alright, and welcome to the lightning round of Chinese catchphrase, the game show where contestants guess the meaning of Chinese words and phrases using phonetic clues and literal translations. Once again, facing off in the lightning round, we have returning champion Max and runner-up Steve, back for vengeance. The category is English loanwords in Mandarin. I will say the Mandarin word that is an adaptation of the English word. So based on sound, you must guess quickly what the answer is. Do you understand the rules?
I don't know if I get the rules.
For example, tacos is a loan word in English from Spanish. I will give you Mandarin loan words that are from English.
Sounds good.
All right, let's do this.
So wait, Mandarin loan words. So are we answering in?
You'll answer in English.
Okay.
I will give you what the Mandarin people say. You say English.
Okay.
The first one will give you a clue. You guys ready? Just ring the gong. Okay, let's do this. Number one. Good dough.
Is that like gacho, like
No, Steven.
California?
Good-o.
Good dough is ghetto.
Didn't know they had a word for that. All right. Disc.
No, Max.
Say it again. What did you say?
I'm not telling you.
I thought he said disc.
Is that your guess?
Is it disc? I'm guessing disc.
No.
That's exactly what I said. That's exactly what I said. That's exactly.
The answer is disco.
Oh, that was close though.
Cool. Next.
Cool.
Cool is correct. Cafe.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Oh, same time.
Okay, this one is dynamite.
Dynamite.
Dynamite is correct.
You sounded like Disco Stew there.
Yo-yo cho.
What?
Yo-yo cho. Steven.
Yo-yo?
Yo-yo is correct.
What's the cho? What is the cho?
Cho means like ball or something like that.
Oh.
Ma ding ni. Ma ding ni. And martini. Base.
Did you finish saying it? Did you finish saying it?
You rang before you finished.
And Steven. Base.
I repeat it receiving.
Base.
Baseball?
No, base. As in all about that. Base. Microphone. Steven.
Microphone.
Microphone is correct.
Oh, good one.
Cartoon.
I won this scallion. What'd you say?
Cartoon.
Cartoon.
Cartoon. Bow tie. Next.
Bow tie. Bow tie.
Yes. Bulusa. Bulusa. Next.
Blouse.
No, Steven.
Blue? Isn't the color?
No, blues. You should have clarified.
You should not have clarified.
Bagel. Steven.
Bagel.
Bagel is correct.
Oh, that's a good one.
Bingguo. Steven.
He wants to say
I
who.
was going with the Chinese.
He wants to say who in Chinese.
I wanted to say apple.
Wrong. Next.
What's it again?
Bingguo.
Bingo.
Bingo is correct.
Yes.
Bacon. Next.
Bacon.
Bacon. Bikini.
What?
Bikini. No one knows bikini. Amoeba. Steven.
Amoeba?
Amoeba is correct.
I can't believe put amoeba in there.
Ammonia. Steven.
Harmonica.
Harmonica is wrong.
Is it harmony?
No. The answer is ammonia.
What?
Leash. Steven.
Leash?
No.
That's what I was gonna guess. Say it again one time.
Leash. Wrong. The answer is laser.
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 Come on, skill.
All right.
Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6 points for Max. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points for
Scallions! Green onion power! Shazam! Ha!
didn't clarify the blues, I would have given you it, but you specifically said you did not mean the blues color. Thank you for playing. You have achieved the rank of stubborn ox, and you get this delicious water bottle. Drink it and be healthy.
Sweet. That's the scene.
Thank you for playing. I am here to award you with your BS in Mandarin language and culture. Congratulations. Don't hold it too close to the camera. And thank you for playing Chinese Catchphrase. Thank you all for watching. Tune in again next time. I don't know what we're going to do yet, but it's going to be good. Thank you.
GG. Pwned.
GG.